them today na Friday and na day wey we ever inside thing them wey don't make news for inside the week. Chakara fine because some people them they never get time for Siam for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. For Friday they get for Siam, so she don't quiet because talk a day. And for Friday we will ever get stranger. We will get for get two stranger, but one person it is surely say it no a day. But no go dey, but he never tell we. So they say no go dey now for 9 minutes. We say we don't try for contact before we they get for dinner. Branch president, yes, Yaoundé branch president. That means say B, yes, B village. That place for community work. B village branch president for inside Yaoundé. Now he get for B for Touré house for talk how the government don't give them 3 classroom for their college and where they be them. So. In not there for studio, we don't know why, but anyway, we will see how we could inform the people them and tell the people them for support the project. So we could talk that one when the time is reach. So country people them, we could enter one time. You could not mean Njangi. When I want come, when I will see the countryman, we it don't come visit we for 3 hours today. Will you come back? We get then. So we get to talk, and when you see the number, not call the number because now we dey for active service. Today man we don't come to for say me we na we blow to reach Chakara outing because he says be victim for something. Because for inside Cameroon, people that wear the wear khaki, then check their answer after God na them and we they fold themselves. Countryman come good for today house.
Come good, General.
Yes, who we talk and the person then have a commander for which side.
Come good, General. Come good to everyone who follow us at this time. My name is Hilary. I sit down for Yaoundé from Bankolo, and I did Touré house for Blow Touré for what happen for quarter.
Yes, and picking for which country or which village for Cameroon?
I be picking from Njangi division for Toko village.
Okay. So when I don't hear say this countryman now picking for side from Njangi and for Toko village, now for side for Southwest Cameroon. So we get for internal for Insight the Talk chapter 1. Now Palava this bridge. Wait time for African Nation Corp. Now way Cameroon government begin the contract for contractor send me a dig road and make bridge where they come up for 10 minutes, go reach for side for Olembe Stadium. So now so condition it they carry now. African Nation Corp will play so take a finish. But question where people in the ask and they say why this contractor it never be this bridge and why this contractor it never finish for car the road time where camera for LTM it tonton it go for that side now way contractor it start work for night and then start the postpone on top that road. So Mr. Hilary, what you go for talk African Nation Cup it don't finish but contact them when they begin for contractor is still there where contractor them they don't abandon them. Talk where if you talk on top this one now stay with
General, you know say for this one country we know they take things serious. You know, imagine say government could release a project like this one, and up till now the contractor will not be able or the project not be able to achieve. I will sit down, relax. Will they destroy this country? This country they be destroyed, and if people outside that they see what the government already released, and they see that the road and the bridge is still the same, it give a very bad image for this country for outside, because nobody now the fact that this country this way we want for see this country be. As a citizen for this country, not for the country, this one Siam. So what are the type of topics is make the government they take a very major step for this kind of situation. Because if they don't take a drastic decision, this kind of thing not going to ever change. See country, see road. A whole nation like this one. See what will happen. And that's why so everybody don't just be relaxed. Everybody don't be relaxed. So it's been a high time for government to rise up. To say the people that want to be involved for this contract, either they do the contract before the time or they go for Garoom. That's it. Talk. Okay.
Now we enter over chapter 2 because time don't begin a cash win. Now Palava strike where it happen for side where they call them now for place where Akassian marché Akassian for inside the own strike where business people them they vex say this so me we begin to see the picture one time. Yes, they vex say this so some book they will they pay 40,000, some people they pay 50, someone they pay 100,000, and they pay so 2 times for 1 year and they talk say this so e no go work again. Na every way they will go for market master for your office. Then talk say this so government e don dey ask question say this so money wey we dey collect e dey go for outside because e dey show say the money they will collect and so they put them for inside their pocket. E no dey go for inside governor pocket. So you see how some people them they turn rich people them for back and governor. So now the book that way they show say this so they be pay for December, and then this woman be pay on 100,000, and then someone they pay for 40,000. So they talk say this so it no look good for them. Mr. Hilary, what you go for talk on top this one? That means that some people them they take money where they will get for support pocket for government, they put them inside pocket. Now in this now way it don't show. You see them for book 100,000, we don't pay, and they ask you again, say you get for pay again for February. What you get for talk on top that one? Me we go quick.
I don't want to find out before say the second payment what they ask for waiting. The first payment don't be consumed, where they go ask for second payment. You know, see, I say that one are stealing by tricks. What some of the people in the name of say they do for government, they do for this country, in order to put the less privileged, to put the masses for suffer. Masses that they suffer not because they like suffer, that because of the people that were government don't give them that respect, where government don't give them the ability for since they run the affairs of the country, but yet they don't want to do what the way it's supposed to be done. So I think say, the person who issue that document, it get a quarrel to answer before the people, not only the people, even before the government. Government need to take a drastic decision before this, because I will suffer people them, and this one is stealing. This is an act of stealing. It's not correct. This one that thief fashion this. Not be the correct thing. What they want to do. And this is when I see this kind of thing, that's why it depend me. Because president may not go for me 100,000 and the money never be used. You say ask to pay another money. The general, that one the act of stealing.
Okay.
That's how he put down.
Here we go now. We talk Palava this one, Palava this boy. Then we they catch him for side for northern part for Cameroon, and then they talk say this all. They did 26 in number, 25 now young boy them, and then one woman when are still young girl. So they talk say this all. They use knife, and then with Okada enter for inside being people that place, enter for inside motor, and then charge people them. Take money and then take their telephones. We police for outside for northern part of Cameroon. A come out Qatar say this so they must catch them. Now we they talk say this so this palava now some palava way anytime you say this so they don't catch some gang for side for North Cameroon, and they don't catch people them with gun, and they get to where they come and say cope the road. So they talk to the so many population for side for northern part for Garoua. Me they can't take I chop Christmas because it needs to be the same. So that me they could know how they go talk them. Sometimes you can't see your brother or your sister, but for Cameroon, me when I know say they so some group enough function well and we woman e no dey for inside as when I don't see them. Now time this way motor for police, it be come up for police station. Now population this when they don't come for can't take I chop Christmas, say they so sometimes police they lie. So they see how police it don't tie rope for their commissariat, say they so person will go enter na person way e get talk for this place. So they will dey plenty. Mr. Hilary, insecurity for side for Cameroon and for side for northern part and for inside Yaoundé, it dey carry fire. Small picking them highest for the now they're talking at 30 years. Man will be old for inside this group. They say you get 30 years. What you got for talk for Palava insecurity?
Insecurity for Cameroon now one major issue where the country is suffering. Internal security now one of the major issue where the suffering for this country. Because you know, if you look and act like this, what did he shock? What did he really tell the viewers, the people outside there? That is to say, we possibly say our country not be secured or how. The kind of act what these people that they do, to me, I believe that they need a serious sanction. They need to sanction that means seriously. Because without this, we are praying God, we believe for a peaceful and a well-secured country. We believe for a unity country where there is peace. Without security, the step of security, I believe this country will never have peace. Because everywhere to what the happen for Yaoundé here, insecurity everywhere. So I try to talk, let the office of law and order may they carry out their duties. They should step up their duties. I will try to draw a certain pattern where one day I believe so we go use them here to share ideas of how the police and the local can defense, so they're supposed to operate in order to keep security, in order to keep people in peace in this country. So why did the travel talk be say our police officer, they need to step up. They need to step up, because without that, it go worry.
You don't see only the knife them where the group they use them for the make all this work, and some knife they where they just come up for choke person. Yes, they don't come up for choke person with that knife, and then they sellotape the knife. You see, so it make man it don't confuse. And for Santa Barbara too, na danger, because you know if you work out with telephone and you know if you work out for some kind of time, and we get gendarme and police post for here, but people in the complaint say this, so it didn't say sometimes they sleep. But anyhow, that one no, we will talk today. We will talk about another strike now, Palava land, where some people, them 56 family, they be join, and then they go buy their plot for side where they come and say for Ebogo. Now inside info, they talk to this whole last fight. Some big man, he don't come where he get money and get a food them for Cameroon. He decides say this, so he go own the land. Now with the population where they will buy the land, they come out vex, they talk to this, so they not going to leave them at all, and they beg Cameroon government, semi-government, he talk inside this matter. Because a government not put him up for inside this matter, like they do something we not fine for this countryman, we don't insist he wants their land. So now the man they interview with Caterpillar, they dig outside, and he don't start to sell some plot them for other people on that side, and he says he get land title, and meanwhile people that will first buy the land, they get land title. Now for the way confusion it come out. This one countryman, and some people in the way they run a war for southwest and for northwest, they don't come buy that land for here. Where they want to be the house for she don't do with family. Now in this now where the show now say even the house they not go build again, even money they not go see again. This one nothing for Mecca me with the talk say this, so Cameroon now one man.
If you see this kind of act,
and they talk say they don't go for court, and then court don't decide say this, so the countryman way he don't claim. Say this, so the land I own, say they say the countryman, he pepper, a common aside for K-Town. So the show say he pepper, no they find, but they don't talk to this, so that pepper, no pepper for that land, but the man is still work for that land. So you see, say for Cameroon, how manage land, they get 2 land title.
General, if it is so for this country, you will get money, now you get voice. It means that we no value, the country no value people where they no get money. The country no value person where no gain money, because it be very, very inappropriate say one land it go get double land title. It no correct. That is an act of stealing by tricks. The person where he sell that land, he get a serious problem. He get a serious problem, because why somebody go come, or with all the crisis where they happen, as you rightly talk. So people don't run from their different places. For them, the best struggle for get smaller, self hide the head, keep the family. And at the end of the day, because other person get money, you decide to keep the person houseless. You see that to keep the person to stay outside. It is very wrong. This is something where this country need to strike about. We need to talk this thing, because I don't sell for here. The other day for Colongwa, I see one person sell land for 5 people. One land for 5 people with land title. That is stealing. That is stealing, General. So I want to call this one that they work for the territorial. I want to call for the deals in every division, every subdivision. The deals, they need to stand up to stop this thing, because this is their responsibility. The responsibility for Geo. Because now be the chef there. So now then God will stop this thing. Without that, some of us will not surely get play for be out to this country. Okay.
We could leave that one now. We enter now. In this same we enter now for another one way. Now the thing where it show a bad face for stranger than where they enter for inside Cameroon. For side for Douala, they say they saw all students for inside Douala and restaurant them, they didn't have a corner dirty. See only dirty where they for inside Douala town, all quarter. For Aqua, you meet up them. Bali, you meet up them. Bonanjo, you meet up them. And for we know they talk again for Marché Chinois. For side for Dutch. For side for Marché Kololo, na wawawa for Karabasi and for Mbopi. Machine Mbopi, that one, it don't pass all side. Even for side from Dokoti. They say they so, they not repeat again for side for Douala. Now, when they talk to this, so we get for support, or we get for the worker for Boshidong, and then the watch team we clear them when they don't go for Cote d'Ivoire, they go to Nakam. That means say, dirty team where they come up for inside dirty, it go kill man. How we get company where it carry dirty for inside Cameroon, and the company don't make more than 52 years for inside country. Now when one man it give chance for picking for country, say control the company, now way dirty it dey outside. In those days, we never see dirty for the road, but why they don't decide for bring dustbin for road and we make people encounter to way dirty for it. So countryman, when you look inside this thing now, so Cameroon begin for be because Cameroon na peace war fatherland with big star, but Cameroon you know they clean.
General, this country give fever. When I be go for Mokolo, I see a situation like this. When I try to talk to somebody, one of the second worker, you know what they will tell me? He says some people they don't want they defeat now from Poubelle. That means the people that they chop now from dirty place. That will ask us, say, so it means they don't need for to wear dirty anymore. In other words, means Cameroon don't become a dirty place. When so they don't become a place where other people they defeat. This one a disgrace for this country. This one a big shame for this country. Say person go fit enter the country, even for presidential they place here, for bastos here. I passed there the other day, see dirty everywhere. I ask myself, say what? Before you even get to the president house that he built around the American embassy, you see dirty waiting for that place, you go run. You go run.
But we don't see them for some station where they show say they so company where they carry dirty, say they talk for they say they so dirty, you know they for town and you know they for site for Yaoundé, you know they for anyhow we just manage the program so today anyhow we will just make country people when I know they ask question we just take them for that way they come because when I nothing no condition we dey inside. So Mr. Hilary, some bush faller he don't go be for America work for mortuary for more than 23 years. He buy Ikako send them then motor come for Kantegi for Douala airport for go with them for site for Southwest motor go for Motongene he start the crease. If we fit see him, we see him, but how man go come up for white man country and then motor come for Kantegi with all Ikako for inside and then plus you wallet a catch fire all. What you get for talk for that one? That one na balok or na weti?
That one, if there is any, if it's something that if you put and pass balok, I fit put them. If something that if you put and pass balok, I fit put them. This one, the one are enemy of high level. People they deal with their own peace. Now when somebody they suffer, when somebody they suffer, and at that time when they happy, when somebody know they succeed for life, they find now a joyful thing before them. Somebody go wash their body. You can imagine the risk for the job. Their body when people know they like for see them. Other person go take it 10, 12 for more than 20 years. Only for come back for can invest. Come back for can sit down rejoice. This kind of thing happen. General, this one no be na only by luck. Witchcraft dey inside. I think that the guy will stress that person in the background for see the place where he come out and for know exactly what will happen.
Okay. So now so wish for Cameroon a day on the no one see fighting picking go suffer a camp for and bring development for inside country it can happen now. So anyhow we enter another one now where it on the camp and it on the workers all side. Now Tori man it be turn it go for side for Ombe it meet up the bridge for Ombe where they come up for Limbe for camp for site for Douala. Now so the road it where you want to come you see say they so even a poor road them it all side for that road for come out go for Limbe. There was one that said the beach where the bridge for Ombe they we don't crack and all this heavy load it pass on top and they say they so when motor they pass on top this bridge for Ombe now so it is shake they say it go collapse but authority they for Southwest they should don't quiet no man in no one talk so they only look am and then when I say me motor it collapse for inside or mean a place it broke you see am you see the way where the bridge it don't crack and one day it go fall and when it go one collapse it go collapse with motor them where they be there for on top, and people that go die. Now that time, we authority them, they go come out for camp. So that means they go give envelope for the victims. You look at the bridge now, all timer bridge. As you see, so you know, say for Cameroon, when they fix something, they know the maintenance. As you don't see, they don't be stadium then for Cameroon. See more time when I go see the stadium then when I know understand. Now I wrote this and I bridge this. For fixed bridge, it over cost money. Where for the maintenance so that me no come collapse. So now the only road for go for Limbe. Now the only road is through Ombe. So if this bridge is cut, that means the ought not spoil. And now here when I pass for go for side from there.
I don't really pass.
Yes. So if you collapse now, see the condition for the bridge.
The truth I say.
Yes.
This country too like play.
Eh?
For this our country we too like play. Everything for this country, the people they take and they play.
When we talk, they take and they play.
They take and they play. They take and they play. It means say for this country, life for human being not be value anymore. They not value the life of a human being for this country. General, see what exactly you take a good look, see what the way happen, where it happen. The only time where they go rise now when people don't die. It means say we the one for turn the country na burial ground. We the one for turn the country na burial ground.
And it is shown they say when person die for Cameroon, it return Nangado.
It return Nangado celebration. People be happy because people don't die.
And when the show say they so they go come with envelope and give for the family. That means small time we go carry person go with them for market for go sell. Since we like money,
we like money pass
person we be alive.
We like money.
Yes. What you get on the message for the authority?
What do I get on the message to the authority there for that area for Fako?
Yes.
As authority of the Fako, the authority there, they should rise up. That bridge, you not only need amendment, they need to rebuild the bridge. Because that bridge, if you look at things, that bridge will pass more than 50 years.
Money there for repair for start back the bridge?
General, the country get money.
What's the money there?
Money there for this country.
Money there for this country, and then why people they suffer, the population they suffer how?
Because some people don't deserve a pocket money keeper for their pocket.
And then they make and some people they pay one cup of rice for 500 and then buy Maggi. They buy Maggi for side for womb for 200 for 300. So we know they understand.
Maggi now, they need to say 1 cube Maggi anymore again. 1 cube Maggi not there for market. Me myself I go buy rice. I want buy rice for 200. They say no, they must buy a small cup. So they say they make kilo for 500. That they think that money in this country, people don't deserve or keep money for their pocket. And when I talk now, they go talk say we too talk. And they go say what we talk is not correct. Who will tell me say Cameroon no get money? Who will tell me testify say this country no get money? The richest country in Africa. But the masses that is suffer poverty suffer. What were they not supposed to suffer for? At least in this country we don't reach a state where every fathers from 60 to 70 years government is supposed to even give 5 small envelope give them because they have served the country for a very long time. See road for country. Look at bridge. And I should say this bridge, a German bridge. So there is no way they will tell me say this country not get money. Cameroon is one of the richest countries in Africa. We have all it takes to build this country in a very successful, in a very highly, in a very great way. We have all it takes to build this country financially.
Okay. So now I want to say you take in some air because with the internet now some with the climb now some step way. If I say country people never upside, me then she don't know because we don't come up for step 1. We climb now for step 2. What the main news now start 1 now the one way happen for site for Limbe. When it don't last can bring confusion. Inside Limbe, some guy away she done with some boy for 4 years. After now, your telephone will get problem. Now anyway, you must have buy Android phone. He come up from Toronto to Android phone. And when that man no say this, so he don't instead buying a trouble for your house. Now anyway, every time where the woman they go, he take number for man picking. So then let's go take number for some military man. Now anyway, anytime when the man he go wash his skin for perfume, the girl he call now the military man for video call, or the man he call the girl. So anytime now so the girl worker to make conny life. Now anyway, that man no answer say this so Now which can live this now? Let me say this phone, I don't buy them. Now for big problem, they get a move knife. They go run inside a cassava farm. Then we come back, say so sometime a woman, don't put he had for inside. Now where the woman don't tie a trouser for skin, wear your t-shirt, hold your phone, and then with the identity card, they go meet up that military man ready for junction. Now where the man he talk say, who's you to go for this kind hour and wait time day it be now past 9 p.m. So now where the girl now still take the knife, choke the boy. I gonna say the boy defend him, it choke him for hand. If never them no be day, sometimes this boy if a choke and so it last die. So now we talk so it there for Limbe 1 hospital. This one na balok or na golok. This love you don't go na how and waiting. Why Master Andrew don't bring Android phone where they scatter carry scatter marry them?
General.
Android phone baby na for make business or na for the worker follow man picking or follow woman.
Ever since where this nation be this country be declared generation Android, I don't see say the country don't draw the life of the people backward. Because they call up Android, it means they can draw anything anyhow we want them. For do good now, it don't become none bad from the look of things. Person don't take it time for upgrade the standard of his wife. For upgrade a woman from Choroko to Android, it don't become problem. I be like say we're not going to buy phone them again for women, eh?
Huh?
We're not going to buy phone them again for women.
But they say they go buy them.
And then they'll give accountability to they get that money.
No, you know say when you give much money for woman, for 1 month, it take them, cut them, keep someone.
No, so what to get for doing be say, well the mail list. Well the mail list.
And then if you want mail list, that means say you get for go for market, go back.
No problem, we'll go all way. In order to make peace reign.
Yes.
Because person not go take it and say make travel give the woman, make the woman feel free. See the outcome.
Will not be
see
normal.
The outcome will not be normal.
Not be normal.
And to me, we not only need for lock that woman. And the season that military man don't give that woman that right to behave like that. Something must pass through that way.
Okay, but it be normal to say you could marry woman and woman not accept say it be has wife. How many could get contact with different persons so that you know the story and wait there for your master house?
That's the thing that why they talk. So they want to be a housewife, na house knife.
But you know say this so according to statistic, it shows say 75% woman they not married. Now them the follow man picking for outside.
Very bad.
So they show now say no person not there again where they come and say marry woman.
No, they,
so all are free.
Oh,
because that day we should not for here, the other day we should not for that for down here. Yes, for chop. You see some woman where they talk say this so you come out for married, you never make 1 week, but you see you don't put chain all side for his skin, even for your waist. Even the master, yes, he must away in every day. That way the woman don't wake up, that way the woman may wake up for go for place for peace. The man discover say this so you woman, he don't wear chain them for inside your waist, for waist. So the man say this so he don't know whether this so the woman they hide the thing them because you know they see them for us. So you don't pass it now. So you see now say this so life woman and monitor man picking and monitor for see whether this so we this some kind way. But so one thing again we I want end up for this one as a countryman.
I hear you.
Why woman they ever talk say you never first see person we go marry because he want marry a rich person. You feel accept give your picking, get picking for married. Say me go marry rich man and where you know no time where the man don't work money.
Now one mistake that way papa they do am. I mean I don't talk for myself say my pikin they no go for that victim. God bless me. I can only get picking them.
Yes, small time me na you go dey. Small time, yeah, me na you go come be. Time where they go get massa.
Yes.
You first inform me so that we take like 1 year for study the man.
Okay.
You see no?
Yeah.
We get for study the man, not you see no? Because if you just talk to say no, my pikin don't get massa, you know no place where the money they come out, and you know nothing where the man they work. You see am?
That is the thing.
Yes. And something again where I want to we'll talk inside before we jump another one. For inside Cameroon now, when woman don't start the work, you not get respect again for us.
It don't happen for me.
Yes. And when woman, they don't marry na money, We never married na the person because married in 3 way.
4 categories.
Yes, sometimes 4 or 5.
4.
Someone na say woman they married na the man. Someone na say woman they married na money. Someone na say woman they married na the family. You understand, no?
Very well.
And then someone then na say woman they married na the property. You understand? So it make a now this married day now we need say me marriage them when I then design marriage certificate. Me the still make sensitize
marriage
couples. Because it don't bring with problem. We'll leave that one because if we enter the plenty more time.
For married, for married husband at the last category.
Yes, for married husband.
For married husband.
Yes.
Now the last category that.
Yeah, because you say you'll be victim.
I'll be victim.
Yes, that way you'll be being a ticker. Yes, that way this Hilary they get money. You see, but I don't want to finish that story. I don't want to finish them because I go finish them. Some people them they go tie face. Yeah, the people that way. Yeah, woman come up for the family, no. If one finish and they go talk, say why this man don't go talk this thing. Yes. Okay, so anyhow we did. So any man when they follow we, if you follow we for Facebook, you try we for share the link and then tell the people and to for subscribe. So that me when I see outside, if you see the program for YouTube, you try for subscribe so that you be a member for inside. So now we internet after this woman we don't call person for that side for Limbe. We gonna have a side for Manfred, I think we don't happen yesterday. For checkpoint, routier, gendarme, he don't shoot some woman. Where the woman, he be standing, understand, and a woman where they say chop for the very gendarme them for checkpoint for Manfred. They talk say they saw 40 meters na gendarme control, when a routier, and then the other side, then na police. That means that the gendarme them, they don't blow whistle, pim, 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 and then the motor, he go here, and then he go stand for side for police. Now way gendarme man, he come out for play every day. He come one time, he move gun. Say one shoot driver, as driver just shake the motor, woman way every day the other side, and then the gun, he pass, take na the woman, he fall, and the man way shoot him, he make they say, it is never shoot person. Can't see confusion for Manfred yesterday. As soon as say motor them block, motor them where they come out for Manfred for go for side for Bermuda, ain't nobody pass. Now the woman that when I say and the woman, the one should be so the woman every day will be left for 7 months. That means say this woman don't die. Plus speaking for inside, gendarme man, he no get time. What you got for talk and why not only for Manfred and why gendarme them they don't start decrease now Chris. And you yourself, gendarme person yesterday he don't slap you for no reason. You say that you be victim, so you go reach for brigade. Mr. Hilary, you don't sit with don't pass for Manfred until we don't happen for you. What you get for talk for country?
The palaver for gendarme for this country na a very big problem. I'm not sure say the training where gendarme they do they out now for maintain peace. Because the way gendarme for this country they work, they did a military of occupation. It means they are military of occupation. They are not out to train to mentor peace for this country. Why the gendarme give an accountability when make him shoot that bullet? Now the purpose that what they sending for kill. They sending for make peace, for bring unity, or for go kill a normal citizen. Without any war, bullet is sound. It's against the constitution of law. It's against it. So that gendarme need to be sanctioned. You think that is more than that is 2 lives. What if I thought the woman carry na twins? What if I thought the woman get na twins? Now we say don't take your time, kill 3 people for just no reason, for just no cause. It may be at the back of it all, something like 500 francs. What is gendarme define them from the driver? It will take a time, kill 2 people. Kill 2 people, sleep dead because of 500.
Okay. Now time will happen. We go now for some morning time for go see drivers union them for site for Manfred. They will come out. Their president will be one a whole meeting with them, sensitize them how they get for work for route. Me we see now president that way they talk, we get white shirt, we get spectacle for your head. Now way they talk, it don't call all you driver them for Manfred. They tell them how they get for function with police and gendarme for that side. Say this one, and then they say 2024, it don't come now with gun for hand. Now way it talks say so when you there for checkpoint, gendarme or police, it give you it talks me you stand, me you stand. Me we hear some more how they talk, Mr. Francois. Me we hear thing with that man he talks more.
We don't discover say this so Southwest and Northwest don't mean na area for make money.
Okay.
Both for uniform people where they send them for maintain peace and security, just like our brother the way they did for bush. They go catch driver and passenger, they take and go bush, ask million. But officer they too they there for road in the name of security. If you not give money, means you not be a citizen of Cameroon. You not give money, they shoot you, die. We still get reference for some other a situation where be happen where because of 500, gendarme he shoot citizen, he try for them. Yesterday, I don't know whether that's because of money. And they talk in the capacity of sending representatives for manu for transporters. So I call on all drivers. The money where they ask them for road, whether that money or that waiting, it not be equal to our lives and the people who want to carry. If you reach officer, say, give me all money waiting for your pocket, for your own life. Gather all the money, give you. If you say one check you, open your motor, check you. Make any man, it auto sanction itself.
Liver.
Make man up.
Yes. So now president for drivers union for side for Manfe, he talk for a driver them. So now, may we ask man where this thing what happen, he did for corner. Now driver too. You say this driver, he do how before this thing he happen. When I hear where this countryman go talk, oh yeah.
It don't pass, we don't give money, even man may settle you. So only here see pass now, a car for police, stand go to the control. Any other motor, that small routine the way they used to start or corner. The one he follow you for back. That man just say, no, he settle he control. That man get gone. Go as he shoot him, that get the come out as the crossroad. As he shoot him, so I get forward. But the retriever don't know to the place. You hold him on hand. You can hold that driver, they go for control back. And that police over there for that small, they tell you go so, person there for down. You want turn down, person there for down. You go the last, kidnap you, run go down, control scatter. Before they can block all for you. So they be the road.
So you let driver where we there for there. How you see the kind of thing where they happen so?
They don't pass me waiting for talk. I don't know me waiting for talk again.
So you not get nothing but ask government where if he help we. They kind of way people that die for road.
But they don't pass Gary.
We thank you, my brother. Nasha.
Okay. So I don't hear from the eyewitness. We live now because God it exists. If God not be there, when man go gone, just turn am shoot the brother. For Sika how much? Now how much?
500.
Now person this don't die. And when it not be the passenger, not be the driver. So people that when they ever talk for that side, they will get for show with photo for that gendarme man. So that we will see it fine. Another thing we concern gendarme again fufu yesterday. Moto e come out for side for Babosam, they go for side for Buddha. That way they don't reach for Bamingum. Me we begin to see them. They don't reach for Bamingum. Now in this way we say it don't make pip. That a pass. A defined way for park and become motor they plenty. Now anyway, this man he take that motor for rotate. He follow and so can't block this 70-seater for here. Now this for inside quarter he can't block him. Now you were passing that they don't come and say the problem now waiting. Gendarme say this so today na bad day for you. If then a bad day for you, why you come up for road? You see one of these things then na time when man don't come up for house where get family problem, they carry go for road, it get problem with all man. So all the passengers that when they go their business for border, they last lot of business, and then again they beg the man so tire. The driver decide now, he make he reverse, passenger then now they enter, and then he start to go. That man still take again. He machine follow and so for checkpoint. Now he take na motor with Jana the way they there for control for side for border. Then block now. They block this motor again. As you see, now motor for Jana is now another motor that way he don't go bring them. He can't block them. You see? Now he collect the and they collect the non inside the motor, they not come out because they see the man don't move gone. Also, when you go and wait to enter for this country, Mr. Hilary, I don't talk say yesterday you yourself, gentleman, you know will get trouble. You don't want talking for here?
General.
Yeah, talk your hand for here. Because no one says more time, it will be say, it will be say.
The thing I say, I don't talk say the gendarmes for this country, they're not there out for security and peace. They're there out for create problem, for destroy life of people. Because yesterday, about 8 or 9 o'clock, I there for Pankolo, for front Jojo, bakery, boulangerie. I there I sit down for my motor. I want to hear slap for my head from just nowhere. For me to turn my head, na gendarme. Waiting be my offense. Without offense, a gendarme slap me. Seriously, when I go down for my motor, I don't feel like say my box out. But I take my time. I go for gendarme station yesterday night. Forgot me to commandant the brigade. May they tell me if that is the purpose, if that the issue that what they decide gendarme people for outside. They decide they go create peace or for go create problem. Because this thing is not be the only insult, it's a disgrace. It be like our government don't know where to work for. So the commissioner of gendarmes, they need to rise up to put their boys, to put their element together. Because if not be so, what will go happen for this country? Person no go sick up for take water drink.
Okay. So when I don't hear yesterday be a day for gendarme them, we don't know why. But big man for gendarme for country, he could get talk for talk with any man who don't come up gun yesterday. Because big man for gendarme, he never send any gendarme for road for go get problems with citizen. So big man for gendarme, he could not hand for table. And big man for gendarme, now person will be straightforward and a person will be transparent. No man will be mago, a person will be transparent. So when I go last see, wait away, it go last come out. Maybe not now. Yes, will you talk to me? Yes. So now, Tiwe we get for talk now. I say, Mr. Hilary.
I hear you, General.
Yes. Tiwe will talk on top now. Palava this one. The person where we get for be for Sturu for Turi house. Now SSF if we get for talk this one, but we will hell be for talk. Government of Cameroon, it don't do fine work for give college for village where they come and say be village. Be village na village where they under Nkambe Center for site for Donga Amantum Division and for Northwest Cameroon. They don't cry because the college is not the for side. May we see the video. Yes. They cry, say they so you know the work. Francois will feel see I'm fine because people don't see him. So na so they Juju yourself where Nangumba it make community work. I say Ngumba it go carry bricks for semi they build the college. So that picking they're not going to come up for that big village for go college from Kabe. Me they're not going to come up for big village for go college for Baminda. So government don't choose now this village for give them college. Because plenty picking them, see to get keep picking them when they will come up for that side for B, they go school from Kambe. Papa them they suffer for their house, they give some money, they give money for Okada for take go for school and take and come back. And plenty of their picking they don't come back for house where they do with belly. Then when they cry for government too a year that cry, he talk say he don't give them college for that side, but they go start with 3 classroom. Then when people that dance for that village. Dance for the bread. They want bread. Now they fund that with yellow. Fund for the village. It talks to this whole community work. It get for start and it will start. Time where it start now. Now way they make all this one. So they bet end them for side for Donga Mantun Division. End it for Donga Mantun Division. Yes. That is the Honorable Ngala Gerard because they own people them.
Okay.
Honorable Ngala Gerard, Mayor, Lord Mayor for Musa, when a mayor for Nkambe Council. They debate me, then support them, me them be this school. They debate to Mayor for side for Ndu Council, Alak, but no Kanjo, say, Yina, Honorable Nami, me then try for support them for this project so that me they big the classroom them. They debate to me, Honorable Adamu for side for Nwa. and the mayor for Nwa Council, mayor too for side for Ako Council, and the parliamentarian for Ako, mayor for side for Mr. J Council and parliamentarian for Mr. J, and His Excellency full Callistus gentle say me when I join hand help them so that me them be their classroom. Everyone plenty we no fit count at all. Time for me bless wey there for side for one man country. USSF you don't dey support the project. Yes, now the fund from the villages. Now the fund this way they talk say me the hell be as when I see am. So we feel yes more how you go talk before we enter another. That fund they talk say wetin.
We decide say we no go sit down the way say make government they can't build the school. We decide for comot community work. Then for system we go build 3 classroom and office. How well community then they do. When we don't do that one, at least government they go know now say truly it don't give with that school. We get hard for the school because for first time when we begin to come out from here track on foot to Binka, track on foot to Nkambe, especially girl child, when they go reach from Nkambe for pay houses, for buy chop, other thing it big cost for plenty for we. So for this school government don't approve for we don't be glad for you plenty say no forget we. And secondly, I would like for talk for media say make the whole world make they try for help we. How they see our community with school putting them for this village. Make they try for help we. Whether they go help we not through which means make they try for help we. May we try build this 3 classroom. We know say government it be very slow but it be steady. Very slow and steadily. We know say government never forget we. If crisis day like this one, government approve with school and then we make again mistake or we don't say that government go come bill and for we means we don't know which way we do. So for that one we thank government plenty. As the challenges where we face and for building school, it just be say materials for build the 3 classroom. Now I don't face the talk say the whole world, the whole Cameroon, make the try for support we because the challenges where we face them, community where they come out, mami them with opa them, they no get money. And when we talk now, say make people them contribute even 500, it be very hard for we. We try for pay school fees for picking. We try for contribute small money for buy even sand or cement for move stone, all that thing then. So it worry we too much for that one. Yes, my cry for the whole world, like the cry say make the whole world made it pity for we and then support we for construct this our school where government don't approve for we don't come out for community for build the 3 classroom. I appeal for the whole Cameroon, the whole world, man, where you know this or you don't see this community, you don't see this village, how they suffer for making this community, may they help we for support we.
Yes. So then thing now, the other thing we need now is cement and some other one then they don't try for get early, then they don't try for get this other one way they just start.
I don't hear the fund for B village and the youth president for that site. With the salute to, yes, with the salute to the national youth president for site for B when Shindap NS, yes, Shindap NS when the national youth president. And with the salute to the national president for B, that means a man will govern all the population for B. Now Tata Dixon Ngwang, Tata Dixon Ngwang, when I be the national president. Yes, we USSF now do all and all for semi all thing a worker. I don't tell when I say this, so any man picking for Cameroon, the country, all now we on, no matter for some person. If you know for your heart, say you be picking for Cameroon, may you try for support this country people them. Yes, we not try for support this country people them. When you know, we not support them. For those, yes, those way the SSF the day for place with the day. Yes, if I say me I give number so that me yes me then call so that me they support because in that time this way we get for no person way he like another one. You see I'm no countryman. Yes. Sure. But what you get for talk for this thing with the past before we give number?
Na very good project for what the way they happen.
Yes.
We need development. We love development. And if school they come for a place like this one, it bring development for that area. That the kind of things that this way we like for the Siam. Not before gender for the work and pick people left and right. Kill people. Those things that is not what we are looking for. Don't be waiting that we want.
Yes.
We want development.
Okay, so may we give any man wey no say they say why I left this country, people that may take this number now. 670 43 7151. May I repeat them? 670 43 7151. Or you contact me, I will give you the number. You contact me for that number for WhatsApp. After the program, we'll give you the number where you feel support this community. So last element before we come out. African Nation Cup, it can start sometime. We'll start for Sunday.
Now Sunday, no be Sunday.
Yes, Sunday. And Cameroon, they play for Monday. Maybe we see how national team will be enter for site for Cote d'Ivoire. Samuel Etofis, when he says be Oga quarter for football. Patrick Mboma, all them, now them that. Abubakar Vincent, when he be the captain. All them. Now the airport that where allows them the land. Now the airport that where they be land. Now for sure when I say this, so number where it got for take place for Monday. It no go easy.
Sunday.
No, Cameroon they play for
Sunday.
No, okay, Cameroon they play on Sunday.
Sunday, yeah.
Yes, Cameroon they play Sunday. So now some banana that we don't confirm say this, so all player that we don't call him, he get confident for them. Now in that, he don't finish the propose. Friendly match them, we will go make 1-1 with these people them. Yes. So they talk say this. So this one they never show the match for television because they will get something them where they want to hide them. Because you know say we get for play with Guinea.
Yeah.
So they never want for show style where Cameroon get for come up because they talk say lion. They don't stay 2 years in never chop. So he get for chop for Sunday. Hilary, wait till you get for talk. All the player them, you get confident for them. Onana. Yes, Onana when a goalkeeper. They say again number where go play. And when we go finish play the number, they go come on the aeroplane jet plane for go levy for Cote d'Ivoire. Some people they talk say so he go tire, he no go there for goal, he no go play for you know say Cameroon and the life for talk and when they talk so they no pay them. You see no? So the life for talk plenty. So now under that it there for on Dua it make training. So it's not easy. And they don't go with 5 or yes 4. Now 4 goalkeeper. So you know easier. Yes, and now 4 match or 3 match, any goalkeeper will play. Oh, Samuel Eto'o.
So what you have to talk for this Palabana say?
Yes. Because one goal.
Me, I get confidence for Andre Onana.
Yes, we get for play.
We get for play.
Yes.
So Andre Onana go play in March for Manchester on the 14th.
Yes.
We go then for Saturday.
Yes, we.
He go finish that match. They go leave a camp Cote d'Ivoire for that same day. He go rest. I give about 7 hours to rest before the match. He go start.
But how long go play match for on the 14th for night? And then go come out reach for Cote d'Ivoire now for which time for morning time?
I don't talk say the time where he go use them.
Yes.
He go permit it for carry so they go almost about 7 hours.
Yes.
Because Cameroon go the play now for evening.
Okay.
Not before daytime.
That means every rest.
Every rest the whole day.
And then make training for which time? Okay, go they train inside sleep.
That is a professional player. So a person that you know of need that kind of training.
No, but the training where they train, that one where they train for Manchester, they different with the one where you get for train with the Lions. Them.
We not deny. They don't find that say the highest 5, 10, 15 minutes. Why go there with the player them? Not be today they play with Lion. You know they play with Lion ever since.
Okay.
You know they play qualify match before Lion for qualify.
Okay.
So the team no strange for him. Why go without the player? But the only problem when I get a me na 5 Collins.
5 Collins don't do it.
Again, my only problem is 5 Collins.
You don't do it.
I don't know either they don't call 5 Collins or they never bring 5 Collins.
They never bring.
That's my problem. That
they never bring, but
because 5 Collins is not dependable midfielder.
No, but the problem I say, law for Cameroon is the talk you on say, you know if you call player.
We no get
team.
5 Collins get a team now.
No, you get them now. You get them, and wait a minute. Now few days me they bring the list. For the player them 26 what they get for go for so they not for fit call you because you know be get him and you see no some people they talk say they so why they never call Chopo Martin or na coach because when coach he call you player them that means they get confident for player them. Then we wait if we turn back way we not turn back with the cup or we turn back some kind of way the right time we'll ask question for coach.
General, I know they deny.
Yes.
The thing I say we believe for the constitution for the football sector.
Yes.
How they run.
Yes.
But now 5 Collins don't get a team where it permit 5 Collins because the reason why they not be calling that because you not be get a team. But as long as you don't get a team, if you watch World Cup, you see the way to Icon is play.
No, we're not the fan for that one.
No, at the time we talk, so people will reflect. Because of reflection, it make they call them.
Yes, but some talk they come out for social media say now only one player where they don't call him Jay Clinton for side for English. I say no, I talk say this so me that one I no one talk him. If they don't call Jay Clinton, Jay Clinton, yes, it probably not they. That means they call a person where they see say this.
He be fit.
Yes, he be fit. They not go just call all man. Yes, you see him no. So me we know they bring that kind of talk. Yes. So Mr. Hilary, we don't finish. Wait to be your last talk before you want to come out.
My last
Friday,
talk,
yes.
My last talk, I say, one, I congratulate the Indestructible Lions of Cameroon.
Yes.
I don't already congratulate them because I believe, say this cup this year, it will come.
Okay.
We will take the cup. And then behind Lion with flesh and blood. And then behind Lion.
Yes.
And then also, I will also talk for our senior them when they occupy office of law and order. Make big man for gendarme put gendarme in order. Make big man for gendarme put gendarme in order. You don't send gendarme them for road, now for create problem. You send them now for maintain peace and order.
Okay. So the program it don't come for same way we come out. That means we don't end the program. Now for make Cameroonians then where they ask questions say why Lions them don't go put a flower for grave for the first president for Côte d'Ivoire. Now because now the president begin we cup time where they will play African Nation Cup for Africa for Côte d'Ivoire. Now Cameroon will win and now the president will take the cup Guillaume for we for Cameroon. So we get the right for go put flower for the Iberingon because we get for still take the cup again. Now from the way we don't take the lucky. When I don't see some country don't go put flower for Iberingon, no person. So for Cameroon with the thing and then with the do thing way it be right and we think we got like them. So we tell any person we don't follow the program, we insist me when I share the link. You follow him for Facebook, you try way for share him and then subscribe. You follow him for YouTube. We a channel for YouTube now Njangi House. Njangi House only. Njangi House, you go for Njangi House for YouTube, you will meet up the program, you subscribe so that me will be member for inside. We salute all the correspondent kept for Mafe. And Gento Baba we there for side from Cambe. We salute to Mr. Zanga. We there for that side for place where they call him for. We salute the cameraman for side for Konjok. And then we greet the one for side for Motengene. We salute to the other one then where they for inside town for Yaoundé and for Douala. So we thank Mr. Francois when I don't do fine work in Banch button today. And this say way, yes yourself, it be assist for your own way. Me, they call me General Moko and not be me one, I be the Mila Hilary. Now so we end the program. Happy weekend for any person. When you want the worker, me you look left and right because God is the worker for outside. So we don't finish more time. You say you could tell me about your industry, but that one next Friday. Not be so?
So.
Yeah, so we don't finish. Anyhow we day now God.
Happy New Year.
Pray. Happy New Year. We don't go.